Hello, everyone, and welcome to FluentHub English. I'm John.
And I'm Amy. We're here to help you learn practical English for everyday situations.
Today, we're going to learn essential phrases for shopping and bargaining. I remember when I first visited a market in London, I had no idea how to ask for prices or negotiate. I felt so lost.
Oh, I had a similar experience in New York. I wanted to buy a souvenir but couldn't understand the seller. That's why today we'll teach you 100 phrases that will make you feel confident in any shopping situation.
We'll make it simple, practical, and fun. And if you find this episode helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English learning content.
Scene 1. At a clothing store.
In our first scene, I'll be a customer at a clothing store, and Amy will be the shop assistant. Let's listen to their conversation.
Good morning. Welcome to Fashion Store. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm looking for a shirt.
What kind of shirt are you looking for?
I need a casual shirt for summer.
What color would you prefer?
I'd like a blue one, please.
What size do you wear?
I'm not sure. Can I try it on?
Of course. The fitting rooms are over there. Let me know if you need a different size.
Thank you. Do you have this in medium size?
Let me check for you. Yes, we have medium in stock.
How much is it?
It's $29.99.
Is it on sale?
Yes, it's 20% off this week.
Great. I'll take it.
Would you like anything else?
No, that's all for today. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Now, let's explain some key phrases from this conversation.
First, I'm looking for a shirt. This is a useful way to start when you need something specific. For example, I'm looking for shoes, or I'm looking for a gift.
Next, what size do you wear? Shop assistants ask this to help you find the right fit. You might answer, I wear medium, or I'm a size large.
Another useful phrase is, can I try it on? This is what you say when you want to test clothes before buying. You could also ask, where are the fitting rooms?
Also important is, how much is it? This is how you ask about the price. You might also say, what's the price of this?
Finally, is it on sale? This helps you know if there's a discount. You could also ask, do you have any special offers today?
Let's practice these phrases. Repeat after me. I'm looking for a shirt. What size do you wear? Can I try it on? How much is it? Is it on sale?
Great job! Now you try asking for something in a clothing store. Imagine you want to buy a pair of jeans. What would you say?
Scene 2. At a supermarket. In our second scene, John and I are at a supermarket. I'll be the customer, and John will be the store employee. Let's listen.
Good afternoon. Do you need any help?
Yes, please. I'm looking for the milk section.
It's in aisle 3 at the back of the store.
Thank you.
Do you know where I can find bread?
Yes, the bread is in aisle 2, next to the cakes.
How much is this cereal?
Let me check the price. It's $3.50.
Is this on special offer?
No, but we have a buy one, get one free offer on these cookies.
Oh, that's nice. Do you have any fresh fruit?
Yes, the fresh fruit section is near the entrance.
Where can I find the shopping baskets?
They're at the entrance, next to the trolleys.
I'd like to buy this cheese, but it's too big. Do you have a smaller size?
Yes, we have smaller packages in the dairy section.
What time do you close today?
We close at 9 p.m.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Now,
Let me know if you
let's
need
look at some
anything else.
important phrases from this conversation.
First, I'm looking for the milk section. This is how you ask where to find something in a store. You could also say, where can I find milk?
Next, how much is this cereal? This is how you ask about the price of a specific item. You might ask, how much are these apples?
Another useful phrase is this on special offer? This helps you know if there's a discount. You could also ask, are there any discounts today?
Also important is, do you have any fresh fruit? Use this to ask if a store has something specific. You might say, do you have organic vegetables?
Finally, what time do you close today? This is useful to know store hours. You could also ask, when do you open tomorrow?
Let's practice these phrases. Repeat after me. I'm looking for the milk section. How much is this cereal? Is this on special offer? Do you have any fresh fruit? What time do you close today?
Excellent. Now, imagine you're in a supermarket and you want to find eggs and ask about their price. Practice using these phrases. Scene 3. At an electronics store. In our third scene, Amy and I are at an electronics store. I'll be the customer and Amy will be the sales assistant. Let's listen.
Hello, welcome to Tech World. How may I help you?
Hi, I'm interested in buying a new laptop.
What brand are you looking for?
I'm not sure. Can you recommend one?
Of course. What will you mainly use it for?
I need it for work and watching movies.
I see. What's your budget?
I'd like to spend under $800.
This model is very popular. It has a fast processor and long battery life.
Does it come with a warranty?
Yes, it comes with a 1-year warranty.
Can I see how it works?
Of course. Let me show you the features.
How much memory does it have?
It has 8 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage.
Is it easy to use?
Yes, it's very user-friendly.
Do you have it in stock?
Yes, we have it available in black and silver.
I think I'll take the black one.
Great choice. Would you like me to set it up for you?
Yes, please. That would be very helpful.
Now, let's explain some key phrases from this conversation.
First, I'm interested in buying a new laptop. This is a polite way to say you want to buy something. You could say, I'm interested in buying a camera.
Next, can you recommend one? This is how you ask for suggestions. You might ask, can you recommend a good brand?
Another useful phrase is, what's your budget? Sales assistants ask this to know how much you want to spend. You could answer, my budget is around $500.
Also important is, does it come with a warranty? This asks about the guarantee. You might also ask, how long is the warranty?
Finally, do you have it in stock? This asks if the product is available now. You could also ask, when will you have it in stock?
Let's practice these phrases. Repeat after me. I'm interested in buying a new laptop. Can you recommend one? What's your budget? Does it come with a warranty? Do you have it in stock?
Great job! Now, imagine you want to buy a new phone. Practice asking about its features and price. Scene 4. Bargaining at a market.
In our final scene, John and I are at a local market. I'll be the customer and John will be the seller. Let's listen.
Hello. Come and see my beautiful scarves. They're very good quality.
Oh, they're nice. How much is this blue one?
It's $25.
That's a bit expensive. Would you accept $20?
I can give you a special price. How about $23?
I'll take
For
it if
you,
you give it to
my
me
friend,
for $20.
I can do $22. That's my final price.
Okay, I'll take it for $22.
Excellent choice. Would you like to see anything else?
How much is this bag?
This bag is $35. It's genuine leather.
That's too much for me. Can you do it for $25?
I can't go that low. How about $30?
If I buy both the scarf and the bag, can you give me a better price?
For both items, I can do $45 for you.
That's still a bit high. How about 40 for both?
Okay, for you, 40, but don't tell anyone else.
Deal. Thank you very much.
Thank you for your business. Please come again.
Now, let's look at some important phrases from this conversation.
First, how much is this blue one? This is how you ask about the price of something specific. You could ask, how much are these earrings?
Next, that's a bit expensive. This is a polite way to say the price is too high. You might say, that's more than I wanted to pay.
Another useful phrase is, would you accept $20? This is how you make a lower offer. You could say, would you take $15?
Also important is, I can give you a special price. Sellers say this when they offer a discount. You might hear, I can do it for a special price.
Finally, that's my final price. This means the seller won't go lower. You could respond with, okay, I'll take it, or walk away.
Let's practice these phrases. Repeat after me. How much is this blue one?
That's a bit expensive.
Would you accept $20?
I can give you a special price.
That's my final price.
Excellent! Now imagine you're at a market and want to buy a watch. Practice bargaining for a lower price. We're at the 10-minute mark, so let's quickly summarize what we've learned so far.
In Scene 1, we learned phrases for shopping at a clothing store, like, I'm looking for a shirt, and can I try it on?
In Scene 2, we covered phrases for shopping at a supermarket, such as, where can I find bread? And, is this on special offer?
In Scene 3, we learned phrases for shopping at an electronics store, including, can you recommend one? And does it come with a warranty?
And in Scene 4, we practiced phrases for bargaining at a market, like, would you accept $20? And, that's my final price.
These are all essential phrases that will help you feel more confident in any shopping situation. Practice them regularly, and soon they'll become natural to you.
Now it's time for our listener challenge. We want you to write a comment below using one of the phrases we learned today. For example, you could write a sentence like, I'm looking for a red dress in medium size.
Be creative and use your imagination. We'll read some of your answers in our next episode.
To wrap up, today we've learned 100 essential English phrases for shopping and bargaining, from asking for help to negotiating prices. These phrases will help you navigate any shopping situation with confidence.
Thank you for joining us today on FluentHub English. We hope you found this episode helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English learning content.
Join us next time for another episode of FluentHub English, where we make learning English simple and fun. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.